Join us as we explore some of the most exciting features of DJI Mavic 3. Mavic 3 features a stunning Hasselblad camera with a 4/3 CMOS sensor. Having such a large sensor on a drone of this size is an absolute novelty. Compared to smaller sized sensors, it lets you capture images at higher dynamic range and better low-light performance. The 5.1K video resolution gives you incredible details and provides plenty of room for resizing and reframing in post. Mavic 3 delivers epic slow-motion shots with up to 120 frames per second in 4K. To get the most out of your footage, Mavic 3 Cine uses the Apple ProRes 422 HQ codec, which is the industry standard for high-quality video. Together with the 10-bit color depth and D-Log image profile, it opens up a professional level of editing flexibility. Mavic 3 Cine makes sure you don't run out of storage by integrating a massive 1 terabyte SSD drive directly into the drone. If you prefer professional-looking results without post-processing, the Hasselblad Natural Color solution provides incredibly rich and accurate colors straight from the camera. But Mavic 3 doesn't just have one camera. Explore mode unlocks an additional half-inch sensor telecamera for up to 28 times zoom. With the attachable wide-angle lens, you're finally able to shoot still images and video at an impressive 15.5 millimeters. The new DJI RC Pro controller offers a more precise and convenient control experience, along with a crisp, ultra-bright display. To perfectly frame your shots, reliable video transmission is crucial. The O3 Plus video transmission makes sure your connection stays smooth, even over long distances or in complex environments. Mavic 3 stays in the air for up to 46 minutes, so you don't have to worry about missing the perfect shot anymore because of low battery. Multiple visual sensors enable accurate recognition of objects omnidirectionally. That means Mavic 3 can automatically sense and avoid obstacles during flight, even when moving sideways and backwards. This also allows ActiveTrack 5.0 to be more advanced than ever before, providing safe and reliable tracking even of fast-moving subjects in complex environments. It also enables Mavic 3's advanced return-to-home function, as it combines these sensory capabilities with real-time data to intelligently plan and fly an optimum route back to the home point. The Master Shots function automates complex aerial movements and allows anyone to get professional-looking shots. With its powerful camera performance, intelligent safety features, and some of our most advanced flight technologies ever, the new DJI Mavic 3 is a must-have for professional content creators. This is imaging above everything. This is DJI Mavic 3.
We put in a lot of effort to come up with a precise shape that lets you fly for as long as possible. We needed the shape of the propellers to work in harmony with the motors. All the work we put into creating optimal propellers resulted in a very quiet drone. The smart battery features sensors designed to monitor its wear and tear and optimize the battery life. You can also check the battery level at any moment using the LED indicators. Its agile frame resists winds up to 31 miles per hour, and its powerful propulsion helps it reach impressive speeds up to 33 miles per hour, without sacrificing on image quality or losing stability.
We equipped each drone leg with dual-band antenna, creating an omnidirectional system with unparalleled transmission performances.
FreeFlight 6 was designed keeping users in mind at all times. With a new interface, you'll be able to progress further and deeper in the piloting and imaging settings, going from the automatic to professional mode.
Piloting ANAFI is fun and safe. We created a drone that is powered by cutting-edge AI. and can follow you on the go without you piloting the drone, thanks to Cine shots and smart dronies.
Traverse landscapes and experience a visual shock beyond imagination. HS720 eye-catching debut. The 2K video camera with shock absorption can tilt 90 degrees down to take bird's-eye view shots. Optical flow adapts to various ground textures for stable hovering indoors. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for the highest aerodynamic efficiency. Built-in metallurgical gear shaft for smooth movements. Ultra-high-grade steel precision material used to create the high-quality fuselage. A military-grade battery that is safe and durable with a longer flight time of up to 26 minutes. HS720 has been redesigned from the ground up. Beautiful landscapes are everywhere. To capture this beauty, you need to find the best perspective. The HS720 helps you achieve this with ease. GPS Gloneless Dual Mode Positioning System achieves fast, accurate, and stable positioning. Real-time video transmission for a totally immersive experience. Awaken your desire for flight. See things from the air that are not possible from ground photography. Enjoy unprecedented sensory experience. With just one click, one can engage orbit mode and capture yourself with your surroundings. Each expedition can be played back perfectly. For the future, it's easy to plan. Automatically fly along the path you set. The HS720 will follow you like your shadow. Easily get professional images every time. Intelligent control program makes beginners get started effortlessly. Share your videos and pictures with one click. The RTH function will bring the HS720 back to you every time. Get yours today with the HS720.